I'm going to talk to you about phonics today, and we're looking at diphthongs, two letters that come together that make us one sound. And we have O-I as a combination and O-Y as a combination. Both of these diphthongs say the same sound. It's oi. Say oi. Great. Let's read down these words. For O-I, I see foil, point, coins. For O-Y, I see enjoy and boy. Now, I'm going to underline the diphthongs in each of these columns. What do you notice about the placement of O-I? Is it at the beginning, middle, or end of a word? What do you notice about the placement of O-Y? Is it at the beginning, middle, or end of the word? Now, if you said O-I is in the middle, you're correct. Typically, when we hear an oi sound and it is in the middle of a word, you're going to be spelling it with O-I. Same with O-Y, such as enjoy. The oi sound is at the end of the word. When that happens, the rule typically says that you write O-Y. Sometimes, I'm going to write this word. I have a root word, joy. There's the word, or the diphthong oi. But I'm going to add a suffix to it, full, F-U-L, which means full of joy. Now you might say, the end of the word here, it's in the middle. It's not at the end. So do I change it to O-Y or O-I? You don't, because this is the root word. So you always have to look at the root word, and that's going to give you your information. So since the root word is joy, and this is just a suffix, I wouldn't change the oi diphthong to an O-I. I would leave it. Let's look at these two diphthongs, O-W and O-U. Do you know the sound that both of those make? If you said owl, you're correct. We have plow, owl, and crowd. We have proud, couch, and loudly. Now, typically, O-U is in the middle of a word. Typically, O-W is at the end of the word. But English is an amazing language with a lot of exceptions. And you'll see that these diphthongs, ow, are followed by a consonant. You also will see that. So we have 4 diphthongs that we're looking at this week. O-I saying oi, O-Y that says oi, O-W that says ow, and O-U that says ow.